In this video, I'll show you how to verify a domain in Facebook Business Manager step by step. First, sign in to Meta Business Suite and open the business portfolio you want to manage. Go to Business Settings, then find Brand Safety and select Domains. Click Add and enter your website domain, then click Add Domain. Next, choose a verification method. Meta may provide options such as adding a DNS-TXC record, uploading an HTML file to your website, or adding a meta tag to your website's homepage. Follow the instructions for the method you choose and complete the required changes on your website or domain provider. Return to Business Settings and click Verify. Meta will check the information and, once successful, your domain will show as verified. If verification doesn't work immediately, make sure the domain was entered correctly and that the required DNS or website changes have been published. Once verified, you can manage the domain and assign it to the appropriate business assets when needed. That's how you can verify a domain in Facebook Business Manager. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and Meta tutorials. Thanks for watching.